The police like to abuse poor people. People who look like me, who they see as uneducated fools who don't deserve respect. So I decided to make this little educational video to empower my people. But before I do that, please check out this little video clip. Now that was the police throwing stun grenades at an innocent woman for simply having an opinion on them kicking down a neighbor's door, beating a neighbor's up, and dragging one of the neighbors out of the house naked. Just for voicing her opinion on the police brutality, they used deadly force on her, an innocent woman. The police may only enter your house under three circumstances. Number one, if they have a warrant. If they have a search warrant, then they may come onto your premises and search your house. Number two, if they have permission. If somebody that stays in the house, give them permission to enter the house, then they have the right to enter your house and search the house. And number three, under Section 27 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977, they have the right to enter your premises without a search warrant and without permission, but only under certain special circumstances. Like if there's a hostage situation taking place inside of your house, then they may enter. Or there's a report of child abuse taking place in your house, then the police may enter without a search warrant, without a warrant, or without permission. Or maybe they see, they chase a suspect. The suspect ran into your house, this armed suspect maybe, ran into your house, then they don't need a search warrant and they don't need your permission, then they may enter. But other than that, then they are in clear violation of your rights as a South African citizen, or your human rights. They are in violation of your rights, and then you may open a case against the police. Like the other night, the police, they violated my rights when they forced their way into my house. They didn't have a search warrant. I didn't give them permission. I clearly told them I don't give them permission to enter my house. And there were no hostage situation or child abuse taking place, or report of child abuse taking place at my house, but still they forced their way into my house. Now I have the right to open a case against the police for violating my rights. Now I will have to go to the nearest police station first to open a case against them, which they will very likely turn down, because they don't like to take cases against themselves. So, but I need to go to the nearest police station first to open a case, to try to open a case, before I can take it further. So I will take my book and my pen with me. I will write down everybody's name, from the constable at the charge office down to the captains and to the station commander. I will write down everybody's name, and then only then I can take it to IPID, Independent Police Investigative Directorate. Only then I will be able to go to them and then open a case by them. So I will send them an email telling about my situation, what happened, and then give them everybody's name to turn me down. And after that, after the email, I will then call them and tell them about my situation and tell them about my email, and they will then investigate the police that violated my rights. So that's a little bit of education. If any of those things happen to you, like what happened to that innocent lady, that there was stun grenade at her for simply voicing an opinion, then you have a right to open a case. Go and open a case of attempted murder, because that stun grenade could kill you. If they thrown it at you, if it hit you and it exploded on you. Or if they violated your rights, like enter your premises without the right to, that doing illegal searches, like without a search warrant, without your permission, and if the Section 27 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977 don't allow them to, then you must open a case, because otherwise they will keep on doing that and they will keep on getting away with it, getting away with abusing us as poor people who they see as stupid idiots. Thanks for watching, and please do share this. The more people that knows this, the more people this video will be able to help. And hopefully we'll be able to stop this abuse. Thank you for watching. Much respect. And once again, please share. And I thank you, duidelijk. To the police officers out there, this is not a threat, it's a warning. Those little kids that witnesses how you abuse people, those little kids whose doors you kick down, those little kids whose fathers you beat up in front of them, those little kids whose mothers you beat up in front of them, they're gonna grow up with this trauma. They're gonna grow up with the trauma of seeing you beating up their mothers. That trauma is gonna turn into anger. That anger is gonna turn into hate. Hatred for the police. And one day, when those little kids become gangsters, gun-carrying gangsters with hatred for the police, they will start shooting police, they will start killing police officers. You will think it will just be random. You will think it will be, there will be no reason. But it will be because of what you are doing today, that they will in the future kill police officers. The things you do, it will spark that hatred and killing of police officers in the future. Once again, this is not a threat, it's a warning. Stop abusing your power by abusing or beating up innocent people or suspects. You don't have the right to abuse or beat up anybody, no matter who they are.